guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we're doing another one of Tina's top 5s. I love doing top 5s. They're so much fun. So today's video is on highlighters. I love a good highlighter, but apparently I'm kind of picky about highlighters, and it looks like from my drawer that I go through highlighters and like use them once or twice and then I'm like, nah, you're out of here. So I had to narrow it down to things that I know I love. And one of the things I know I love from 2017 that I cannot find, there's a couple of them I cannot find, I don't know what I did with them, is the Balm Trio. And I used the lightest one, which, I'm sorry, I can't remember the name. Oh my gosh, that highlight is amazing. It is super, and maybe that is why I'm super picky about highlight, because that was the first highlight I ever used, and it's the one I still, like, I will use that one over so many others. I love it. You're going to see a picture up here, and you're going to see a little thing around the one that I like, because that girl's, oh my gosh. Okay, the next one is the Peach Glow set. Oh my gosh. Now, they said that this is a blush highlight bronzer set. They lie. It's really just a highlight set. They look like that. I don't know if you can see them very well. But this one here, this latest one, oh, this has exactly what I love in a good highlight. It's sort of peachy toned, this little gold. It looks really good on the skin. I love it. The next one, and I'm sorry, I looked high and low for a really good highlight for you guys that I was like, okay, which ones did I love? And most of the rest of these are in kits, because that's how they came and which ones I love. So the next one is in the Graveyard Girl Swamp Queen palette. I talked about this over and over again. This one is a little chunky and a little glittery. And it's called Gator Wings. Oh, I love this highlight. Look at this highlight. This highlight is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It's right here. It is a beautiful, beautiful highlight. If you have light skin, you're going to love that highlight. The next one is Strobe in the Tarteist Pro Glow palette. This one up here. It is soft and silky, and look at that. I mean, you can build this thing up to freaking shiny. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Unlike the Peach Glow kit, this one, and this one when it blends out, it doesn't look like it has glitter in it, but it does have glitter in it. A little bit. So, just so you know. The last one is the Becca Moon Glow highlight picture. Because I can't find my tiny little sample that I pretty much destroyed. Love that color. Love it. It is beautiful, and I just really, really liked it, and I used it a lot this last year. I want to know what you guys, I know that everybody like highlighter is like, ah, right? And I want to know what your guys' favorites were. Let me know below, because I'd love to try some new highlights. I've already got one this year. I'm wearing it right now that I'm super obsessed with. Super obsessed with. It will be coming in a video soon because, the stupid idiot palette when I was stuck. So, and I try really hard to put up videos that you guys can like go find the product. I try. I don't always succeed, but I try. So those were my favorite highlights this year, and I'm noticing that they're all, except for the Moon Glow, which is more silvery, they all have that kind of peachy glow to them that I love. I love the peachy glow. I think it's beautiful. It works on my skin tone. That's why I like it. So let me know what you guys' favorites were. Thank you for watching. Bye!